Boekel Scientific is a leading U.S.-based manufacturer of medical and laboratory devices. For over 150 years, Boekel Scientific has been making supplies and equipment for hospitals, universities, industrial, and pharmaceutical applications supplied by some of the largest global life science companies. Boekel Scientific competencies include temperature controlling devices and chambers, shaking and mixing equipment, image detection software, metal fabrication, and injection molding. Some of our most recent projects include a self-clamping temperature-controlled humidity chamber for cancer diagnostics, a touchscreen reagent warming system for blood analysis, a disposable plastic device for collecting specimens for a rapid diagnostic kit, a remotely monitored incubator, a custom sample mixing device, an image detection system for a custom consumable. The key to Boekel Scientific's rapid development timeline and project success is 5-part. 1. Strict adherence to ISO 13485. 2. In-house engineering staff. 3. In-house prototyping and manufacturing. 4. Vast network of qualified global component suppliers. 5. 150 years of experience. Boekel Scientific looks forward to hearing about your next new project or instrument redesign initiative. Do not hesitate to call, email, or complete our web form regarding device development, regardless of the project phase.